What's going on, family? It's your man Miami Patron here for another video, coming to you from beautiful Santa Marta, Colombia. I don't know if you guys can see, the beach is like right there. I'm on this rooftop of this beautiful hostel. But anyways, guys, this is the #1 channel for those of you that want to travel full-time and make money while doing it. They're called digital nomads. I teach people how to do that. So go ahead and leave a comment below of the first city you want to go ahead and travel to. All right, so what we're going to be talking about in this video is Santa Marta ready for the digital nomad? Is it ready? Is the city ready and prepared for you to come here, right? If you're a digital nomad, if you want to travel, right? Because we're not the backpacker types where we don't really need Wi-Fi. We're going to be in the hills, in the mountains. We need a stable Wi-Fi. We need a place to work. We need somewhere quiet. And does Santa Marta deliver that? And I'm going to be talking about that in this video. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram yet, you got to make sure you follow me on Instagram, because I share a lot of the daily activities throughout my day on my Instagram. I can't do that on YouTube, right? My YouTube videos are a little bit more structured out. But anyways, I've been living here in Santa Marta, I think coming up on 4 or 5 days now, right? So for those of you that are new to my channel, I was living in Medellin, and that's basically where I got my start with the journey, right? Medellin was a great place for digital nomads. Great Wi-Fi, a lot of free cafes, a lot of co-working spots, a lot of networking with other expats and other digital nomads in the space, right? So while after 4 months in Medellin, it was time for me to move on, and I was gonna go straight to Cartagena, but one of the friends that I met in Medellin said, you have to check out Santa Marta before you go on to Cartagena. I looked it up a little bit. I was like, you know what? Why not? The flight's like 30 bucks. Why not, right? So I've been here. And let me tell you the experience I've had in the last couple of days. Now, I'm going to be coming out with a couple of videos highlighting some of the hostels, some of the co-working spots, and some of the cafes that you can work out of, you know, if you're going to be stopping here as a digital nomad into Santa Marta. But other than that, let me tell you my experience. The first 4 days were very difficult, very, very difficult, okay? Because now, like I said, this channel is for people that are digital nomads and people that work online as they travel, make money as they travel. The first couple of days were difficult because it was hard for me to find Wi-Fi. It was hard for me to find Wi-Fi and a place for me to work. So for those of you that don't know, Santa Marta I would say Santa Marta is more like a hub, right? It's a hub to go do stuff out of the city. For example, if you're thinking about Santa Marta, you may have heard of Taganga, Tayrona National Forest, I think it is. Maybe Palomino. There's different stuff like that. This spot has been really popular in the backpack community for a very long time. These hostels here have been here for a long time, right? Because of the beaches. Some of the most beautiful beaches are here in the Santa Marta area. But the city itself is still developing when it comes to finding great quality Wi-Fi, great quality places to work at. So my first couple of days here, literally the first 2 days, I was just trying to walk around saying, okay, where can I find quality Wi-Fi where I can work and upload YouTube videos? Because if you know, in the digital nomad space, there's a difference between having Wi-Fi and quality Wi-Fi, right? Especially if you're uploading videos and doing, you know, video chatting and a lot of extensive stuff like that. You need to have fast Wi-Fi where you can really develop and not be hindered by that. Okay, and I only found one spot. After 2 days of wandering, I found one spot that was free, a cafe that I could find work at, and that was at Juan Valdez, which is about a couple minutes away from my hostel here, right? And the thing about it, it was really nice, but I can't sit. I'm the type of person that I want to sit here. You see these? This is a nice little hostel. I'm actually going to be doing a review of this hostel. It's actually a hostel and a co-working spot, right? I'm going to be highlighting this because this is a must-stay place. It's called the Flamingo. It's a must-stay place for those of you that are going to be working online, all right? So I'm going to be highlighting it. So make sure you subscribe below. That way you guys can see this interview. But anyways, at the Juan Valdez, it's literally just seats, you know, like a normal chair. And for those of you, I can't sit in a hard-ass chair for hours upon hours, editing video, talking to customers, all that kind of stuff. I can't do that, right? So the fact that if I didn't find this co-working spot in this hostel, I honestly was going to leave Santa Marta and go on to you know, Cartagena or San Andreas or something like that. Because yes, there's so much to do here. There's different forests and stuff like that. But if I can't run my business, if I can't upload YouTube videos, if I can't talk to my customers, I can't stay in that city no matter how much stuff there is to do about it. Which is why I have this YouTube channel, so you can learn through these mistakes, right? So when it comes to the free stuff, guys, you're not gonna really find a cafe that's gonna really, you know, get that stuff going. So what you have to do is, there's 2 spots, and I'm gonna be highlighting these. There's the Flamingo Hostel. It's a hostel and a co-working spot. Maybe, you know, when I do the review, this place is amazing. Like, this is a rooftop right here. Look, you have, you know, cabanas, you have, you know, really good, you know, quality colors, and just really fun restaurants. There's actually connected to another hostel which is really popular. I don't know the name, I'll get the name for you, but this spot is a must if you're going to be coming through Santa Marta as a digital nomad, because this place has the fastest Wi-Fi, because it's also a co-working spot. It's the fastest Wi-Fi and it's cool. For those of you that don't know, Santa Marta is hot as hell, right? I'm coming from Miami. Miami's humid, right? But this is a whole different level. They will not go a single day without you sweating your ass off. You will sweat even if you're in the shade, because it's so humid, right? I would say it's even more humid than Miami for sure, right? So being able to work in a cool spot, somewhere that's cool, or somewhere that has AC is a must, especially if you're gonna be sitting at your desk for a couple hours, right? So I'll be talking about that. And then also the co-working spots. So to answer the question, is Santa Marta ready for the digital nomads? Yes, but you have to be prepared. You have to know, okay, which hostel to stay in, what co-working spots to go to, what restaurants to go to, and everything like that. Now, I'm not gonna tell you about the different attractions, stuff like that, because that's not what I do. I'm not gonna talk about the hiking, because I don't even hike, right? I teach people how to make money online. That's what I do. But what I will tell you, as you subscribe below, is the different spots you can go to, the co-working spots, where to expect, and what to do. So when you get to the city, your business doesn't stop, and you can continue to make money and live the lifestyle and the freedom that you're building and that you dream of while you get to travel the world, right? Because if we want to travel full time and we want to live our life to the best, we have to continue to make money and continue to service our customers, continue to sell our knowledge in the form of online courses. For those of you that don't know, I have a program where I teach people how to launch online business by selling their information online in the form of online courses. I teach people how to become online course creators so they become digital nomads and free themselves from their 9-to-5 job so they can live the life for their dreams, right? But I don't just sell a dream, I teach you guys and I live the life myself. So as I document throughout my YouTube channel, I teach you guys where to go, what to do when you get to the city. Like for example, when I lived in Medellin, make sure you check out this video here, which is my ultimate digital nomad guide to Medellin. I'm talking about places, what part of the city to live in. Everything, co-working spots, restaurants, cafes, everything that you need to know. If you're a digital nomad or you run your business online and you're traveling through Medellin, or you're moving to Medellin as an expat, whichever one you do, this guide will help you tremendously, because this is a video I wish I had when I first got started. And so every city that I go through, I will be doing the same thing, a digital nomad guide to Santa Marta XYZ. So make sure you subscribe below, because I'm gonna be reviewing this spot right here, because this spot completely changed my perception of Santa Marta, because I was gonna leave because I couldn't even run my business here. But now that I found this spot and the co-working spot I'm gonna talk about in the next video, guys, you can definitely come through here, run your business, and go do the other stuff around Santa Marta. Like I said, this place is a hub. You can go to the forest, the hikes, the beaches, and still enjoy quality life. So guys, make sure you subscribe below. My name is Miami Patron. I'll see you guys next.